Hi, I will show you a preview of my Ethereum clone. First we will make a profile. Then we can follow some users. And if we refresh the page, we should see their posts. We can like their posts, dislike. You can see their comments. We can also upload our avatar. So I will choose this and save and finish, and there it is. Now I will log out and use our profile. So we will post some comment. We can also check others users. As you can see, this one has 1 comment and 2 likes. 0 comments, nothing. We can also chat with other users. As you can see, I have previously made a chat. Also I can make more chats. First we'll make group chat. There it is. Or private chat. Now I'll write something. And from other profile, we can chat. So that's it.